She's dying.
Dumb enough to go after her.
Dumb enough?
What's left now? Kill Elsa and bring back Summer.
You will know much. I found it.
Where was it?
Oh, not a ring.
Was it in your belly?
No.
This is the best reaction I've ever seen.
I found it out.
What is his name again?
Hans.
Hans.
What is this?
I already have.
Under your shirt.
Yeah. Daddy, get it.
Is that the room she's been locked in her whole life?
No, she wasn't locked up, it was her sister.
Yeah, over here, right here.
No, she was locked up.
No, she wasn't. She was locked only in the castle.
Okay.
Who's gonna love her though? I hate this movie so much.